Today, we will solve another tricky question. If the prime factorization is 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5, find the number. First, let us write what is given in the problem. In the problem, the prime factorization of a number is given. That is 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5. And you are asked to find the required number. So, the prime factorization of a number is 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 5. This can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Multiply first two digits. You will get 9. Keep 5 as it is. When you multiply 9 by 5, you will get 45. So, the required number is 45. Got it? Please solve the below questions in the similar manner. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.